आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए।
1000 वेंटिलेटर भारत सरकार ने भेजे, हमने उनको लगाया। 2-2.5 घंटे में वेंटिलेटर काम करना बंद कर देता है।
आप याद करिए, सेवा और त्याग के कैसे कैसे उदाहरण हमारे सामने आए हैं। किसी ने अपने पूरे जीवन की कमाई दान कर दी, तो किसी ने अपने सपनों के लिए जोड़ी गई पूंजी इसमें लगा दी। इस फंड ने कोरोना काल के दौरान अस्पताल तैयार करने में, वेंटिलेटर्स खरीदने में, ऑक्सीजन प्लांट लगाने में बहुत मदद की। इस वजह से कितने ही लोगों का जीवन बचाया जा सका।
The Modi government used the PM Care Fund to purchase thousands of faulty ventilators and gave them to state government medical colleges and hospitals to fight coronavirus. The Rajasthan government has written to the central government after receiving multiple complaints about faulty and defective ventilators that were given to various districts and medical colleges under PM Cares Fund. Principals of Rabindranath Tagore Medical College, Sardar Patel Medical College and Prince Bijay Singh Memorial Hospital have complained that all the ventilators they received have stopped functioning within 2.5 hours. Rabindranath Tagore Medical College in Udaipur received 85 ventilators under the PM Cares Fund. All of them are defective. Overall, the Modi government has sent 1,000 ventilators to Rajasthan, but every single one of them has been faulty. This is the second time the Rajasthan government has complained of faulty ventilators dispersed by the central government. So the Modi government is using the PM Care Fund, a completely secret fund that was filled up using taxpayers' money to buy faulty ventilators from companies owned by friends of the Modi government. Last year, the same thing happened in Gujarat. Ventilators were procured using money from the fund and they turned out to be a disaster. They were purchased from a company owned by the people who gifted PM Modi the infamous monogrammed suit. There are still several questions that remain unanswered about this secretive fund.
क्या भारत के नागरिक को दिल्ली सरकार के खजाने का खर्च कहां होता है, वो जानने का अधिकार है? अगर देश के नागरिक को ये जानने का अधिकार है और अगर वो कोई पूछे कि भारत सरकार की तिजोरी के पैसे कहां खर्च किए गए, वो गुनाह है? क्या ये पूछना सही है? राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन, हमने लोकतंत्र को मजबूत बनाया है, तो आपको जानकारी देनी चाहिए कि नहीं देनी चाहिए? कानून में कहा गया है कि 3 महीने में जानकारी देनी पड़ती है। भाइयों बहनों, जब जानकारी छिपाई जाती है तब सवाल उठता है कि नहीं उठता है कि दाल में कुछ काला है। मित्रों, दाल में कुछ काला है कि पूरी दाल काली है, ये सवाल है।
Why doesn't it come under the RTI? How can the Modi government force PSUs and public sector employees to donate to the fund and then claim it's not a public entity? More importantly, how much money is in the fund and what is being done with that money? Is it being used to fund the vaccination programs? If not, then why not? Vaccine producers are in desperate need of funds to increase production capacity to match our nation's needs. India has a severe shortage of vaccines, but the Modi government is doing nothing about it. Indians have questions and PM Modi should start answering them.